And in Better Food today, we are talking about enjoying a great meal outside.
Chef Hunter Morton from the Max Restaurant Group has brought this big, beautiful oven. This is the Savoy Road Show Pizza trailer to our place. It's going to be the first of a series of farm-to-town dinners. Max is hosting starting Father's Day weekend. Hey, guys, and this is Derek Anderson. He is going to be, can you do this? Can you do that?
Like make the magic?
Yeah, like do the magic of the pizza? All right, and so he's getting ready. So
stretch it out. And you cover it in flour.
That's the magic right there.
That is the magic.
It's incredible how good everything smells here. It's all we can do to not just dig into all this, but tell us about this oven. This is insanely hot.
Yeah, it runs about 800 degrees. It was made up in Maine wood heat, and we take it and we travel all over the state. Even we've gone out of state, New York, but every type of function you can think of, we've done. We were doing graduation parties all last weekend. Rehearsal dinners, weddings, anything you can celebrate, or just a good old backyard barbecue.
Do you use certain types of wood to burn?
Any type of hardwood is generally what we want to use.
And you just throw it in there?
Yeah, just throw it in there. It's okay.
Be careful.
We like to stack it, and you want to have.
Okay, I didn't do that too good.
I think it has to go a little
No,
further.
don't put your hand in there.
I just pushed it back.
All right, we're not going to melt it. So Derek has a nice margarita, which is really what Savoy is named after. Savoy was the queen of it was Queen Margarita of Savoy, the actual town. So
you're kidding?
Oh,
Is that
really?
for real? I did not know that.
Queen Margarita came from Savoy, and that's why we have margarita pizza?
Correct. Yes.
Oh.
And then the colors are the colors of Italy: the green, the white, and the red.
They used to call me Queen Margarita in high school. That's all in the distance.
So you can do anything. You even make a gluten-free pizza.
We do. We have gluten-free dough for those gluties out there, and it's a really, really nice dough. It's made locally, and we've kind of searched high and low to really have the best gluten-free dough. But really, we're going to be out at Rosedale Farms on Friday. We're going to be celebrating Father's Day. We're going to have the pizza trailer out there, as well as lots of other burgers, dogs, fried chicken, pulled pork, all sorts of things out there. And then we have our whole farm dinner series. Thursday, we're starting off the 20th. We have berries and blossoms. We're going to have the pizza trailer out there. We're going to be doing some squash blossom pizza and some fun things out there. But really, look us up online all season long.
So we can have a Savoy pizza truck come to our party. We can do that.
Yes. We could have at Kara's in her backyard, and then you pick the pizzas too. We have a whole selection, and not only that, we have a dessert pizza, a s'mores pizza that we finish you off with, salads, meatballs, chicken wings, all sorts of the kind of things. The menu is just kind of unlimited. And the great thing is we come, set it up,
clean it up,
take it away.
It's so easy. I mean, what you see, it's really simple, and everybody just has a great time.
How many pizzas can you make at a time?
We can get about 6 pizzas.
Oh, that's
in
a pretty good
oven.
amount of pizzas.
Yes.
And you say a good party. I mean, you could do more, but like about 50 people. And
50 is where we kind of start, but that's just where the price range is. But if you wanted to have it for 10 of your closest friends, we could do that too. We've done really everything under the moon.
And
Is that
Derek,
one done?
what did you make just there, right there?
This is our soppressata picante.
Soppressata picante.
It's a sweet soppressata, a local cheese from Litchfield.
Yep, from Arethusa.
Oh, it's from Arethusa.
Yeah,
it's just there.
We love it.
Carly's
it's so good.
Carly's Gratitude.
They were my 20 towns in 20
flake.
days. Stop salivating, Kara.
I know.
We're all going to get a piece, I think, after.
I mean, but no, that was so quick. It looks like the Queen Margarita is already done.
Yeah.
It's already bubbles up like that.
2 minutes, we're all set.
That's it?
Yeah.
And the dough.
Really.
Wow. So then you use the other tool here to get the pizza
peel.
out.
It's just amazing, though.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Wow, that's
toasted.
awesome. Well, that's okay because we were talking to you, but that's delicious. And so you've got all these. What's this one? Mushroom and.
Yep, that's called our fungi. So mushroom, caramelized onions, fontina.
And now I love the blade that he's brought to cut it all up. That's quite the.
Scott, you want to give it a try?
Oh my gosh.
Come on, get in there, Scott.
It's like a samurai sword.
Seriously. Who needed just a pizza wheel if you've got that, right? Oh my.
Champion jump roper and.
An expert pizza cutter.
Is there anything you're not capable of?
Well, you know, I can't keep a relationship going, but at least I can cut a pizza.
Well, maybe we can have a singles party for you with the Savoy truck. Everybody loves pizza. So if you have a special occasion coming up, how soon in advance would you want people to call you?
Well, the summers are booking up, so
Okay.
I would as soon as possible because you know those popular dates really kind of the weekends are popular. So give us a call. Look us up.
It's right out of the oven, Kara. It's very,
Yes. It's
very hot.
That's going to be called like what we say a roof burner.
When you put, yeah, exactly.
We might need to, right, then
Right.
you feel it 3 days
Exactly.
later. We might need to wait a little.
Right. It cools down pretty quick is the nice thing.
All right.
Oh, great.
So this is just fantastic. Lots of pizza. The pizza truck comes. The pizza trailer comes. Look at that. It's already done. It's almost done already.
Yeah.
Remarkable.
So really, it's just 2 minutes in that oven.
2
Oh my
minutes.
gosh.
Yep.
So, we've got so many things coming up, as Hunter was saying, and to learn more about the farm dinners for the 2019 season, including that Father's Day backyard barbecue at Rosedale Farms in Simsbury, all you have to do is head to cheftofarm.com. I want to thank you also because you guys were wonderfully supporting for the Dress for Success Capital Catwalk. Max is always so generous in the community.
Love to support it.
It's maxcheftofarm.com.
Yep.
And Kai, you are going to be our official pizza taster after we go to break because it's too hot for us right now. Is that okay? All right, Savoy Road Show.
There's one more place. If you would like to have this pizza truck at your party, the website for that is savoyroadshow.com.